Hello YouTubers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon the time and the location you are watching this video. My name is Siva, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate the age based upon date of birth dates. So first of all, let's prepare the data. Okay, this is the data which I am having. Assume that this is date of birth of a particular people. So before we start applying the commands, we need to properly format the cells. Okay, select the cells where you have the dates, right click, go to the format cells, click on the date, select the desired format you want, click OK. Now the age column is a number column. For that, select this column, right click, go to format cells, click the number format, select the desired format and make the decimal places as 0, click OK. Now we will see how to apply the function. To apply the function, we'll start with equal to. Type equal to date diff, open the parenthesis. Here we need to specify the date of the value. So there are number of ways which we can select the date value. You can use the arrow keys, you can navigate, or otherwise type using your keyboard or use the mouse for the selection. Next, date diff takes three parameters. One is the actual date and the next parameter is the date to which date you wanted to calculate. So as of today, I wanted to calculate the age of a particular date, right? For that, Excel provides a built-in function called today. I'm going to use that function, type today, and then you use the parenthesis like an open parenthesis and close parenthesis. And the third parameter you have to specify is the denomination. So basically like the attribute value, whether it can be y, months or days. Okay, in this case, I wanted to see the years, right? Start with the double quotations, y, and close the double quotations and close the parenthesis and press enter. Good job. So this is how you calculate the age of a particular value, a particular date. So we wanted to calculate for the next cell. What you can do is you can simply do a Control C and go to that cell and press Control V. So automatically, right, the formula is automatically copied to your next cell. If you observe in the formula bar, you can see the cell references have been updated. Even you can press F2 on the keyboard. The cells are highlighted with proper values. Here the F5 value is selected and today is the default value and years is the parameter. Okay. There is another way where we can autofill this feature. Okay. Select the cell which the formula is already calculated. Go to the autofill feature, then press drag and drop and release the mouse button. That's all. So it will automatically going to add the proper references and calculate the age value. That's all in this video, guys. Please like my video if you love the content. Please subscribe and share my channel with your contacts. Bye for now. See you later with my next video.